Hello everyone! In today's video, we got a 2014 Civic SI. Hi! The 9th gen. We're gonna do a quick oil change. If you have the same car, it's gonna be the same way. Let's do it!
Snow on the...
Okay, so we're gonna pop the hood. Car is on the ramp, so we can crawl underneath. 2.4 or the 1.8, the process should be similar. It just snowed, that's why we have snow. Otherwise, we wouldn't have snow.
1 + 1 equals 2.
Things we'll need. The things we'll need. We have, of course, your oil, 0W20.
And, of course, oil filter.
Oil filter. Either a 15 or a 17 for the drain plug, but we'll confirm that when we go underneath the car. Cardboard for something to lay on, and maybe sandpaper to get the old oil filter out. So, we got our drain pan down here. Put it underneath the car, catch the old oil. So we gotta undo that. Wait, where's our light? So we gotta undo that bolt. The one Lloyd's undoing. We gotta have our drain pan ready because the oil will arch. Unless you wanna make a mess.
That one, there are 2.
No! Okay, so the 15 doesn't work. Looks like it's the 17.
17s.
17. So it's the one on the left hand side.
The one where it says engine oil or the one with the arrow?
The one with the arrow.
Not the engine oil?
No.
Oh, weird.
See?
Okay.
There we go. So when you see oil coming out, you gotta be ready.
So,
Whoa! Here we
Whee!
go.
whee!
Okay, we'll let that do its thing.
So, what
So-
can we say about the
It just needs to be changed now. Have some towel in hand, so you know you can clean up after yourself in case it gets it on your hand,
like so?
like so. While we're at it, says right there, OW20. So use that oil. That is all. Okay, guys. So while we wait for the oil to drain out, we're gonna prime our new oil filter with the clean, brand new oil. And this is how you do it. So grab some oil, clean stuff. Good enough. And basically, you just put it around. I just made a mess. Jesus. So just put it around the lip. So it won't stick or it won't be hard to remove the next time. Okay, that's how you prime your filter. And basically you just put it in once ready. Okay guys, so now that the drain is done, you basically put the bolt back on. Simple as that. It's right there, as you can see, that's a 17. A good should be good enough to tighten it. You don't need an impact gun or a torque wrench. Your strength should be good enough. Okay, now we gotta do the
Undo the filter.
and then the one we primed, we're gonna put it.
Oh, I can do it. That's weird.
Oh, there we go.
It did not get stuck.
Okay, so basically where Lloyd's hand is, that's where the filter is. Let it drip. Once it starts dripping, bitawan mo. Let it go. Let it go. It's okay.
But I like it.
Oh. So the old filter will have some oil in it and it'll drip out. So don't be alarmed.
Tapos na yan.
Once that's done, you can undo it and completely take it off. Okay, so undo that, and then we'll put the new filter in place.
Wala na, nagkaroon na ng oil yung ano.
Okay, so this is the old one. This is the new one. Just make sure they're pretty much the same. Otherwise, if they're different, then obviously the other one won't fit.
So, iba mo na ilagay.
Okay, so now that we're done downside, so we got the drain bolt back
I'm the
on.
amateur, so he needs to double check.
And the filter is back on. So you're down there, you're good. You don't have to worry about spilling the new oil. So now we just have to grab our funnel and put the new oil in our engine. But I'm gonna double check. You just gotta find out how many liters of oil your engine carries. So this is the 2.4 liter, which is the SI trim, and not the 1.8 liter, which is in the lower trim. So the 2.4 carries how much oil? 4.4 quarts?
Yeah.
4.4 quarts or 4.2 1 liters.
Wow.
Which means
But
our 5 liter here should be more than enough.
Yeah.
Okay, so engine bay, we just need our funnel and your oil and everything should be good to go. Pasukat ito.
Ngayon ko ano ba sabi? Hindi ko alam eh. Tingnan ko.
55, 16. Ito, 215, 60, 16.
So what's the
Mas mataas.
Mas mataba din, 215.
Mas mataas. Malapad, tapos mas mataas.
Okay guys, so after putting the right amount, be sure to check your oil levels. Not sure if you can see, it's a little bit higher than the second dot, but that's fine. We've got some oil that's gonna go into the filter and then it's gonna drop down a little bit, which is fine.
And I burn oil.
And there we go.
And I burn oil.
It's a Honda thing. If it's by the second dot, then you're good to go. If it's a little off, then maybe add a little bit more, but don't go way too much, like up here or something. That'll destroy your motor
Would it really?
in the long run. Okay, so put that back in. We'll start the car
Oil
and
cap.
we are gonna check for leaks. The engine's running. We're gonna check underneath for leaks. No leaks, so we're good to go. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it for our 9th gen Civic oil change video. If you find it useful, and if you have the same car, maybe hey, this video will help you out. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, and see you on the next one. Oh, last thing, make sure to get rid of the old oil in a proper recycling facility. That's all, bye-bye.